As a recovering government attorney, one thing I hate is government hypocrisy. And in my opinion, Commissioner Mondo is a total hypocrite. Look at his CV online. He brags about his oath of office, but then, a distressed litigant can't get it from him.
When I asked him to produce his oath of office, he said that by law he didn't have to, and he was not going to play those games.
Games? You just wanted his oath of office?
Correct.
I see.
Because they have the guns and handcuffs and have perceived authority, it's the only reason they get to do what they do.
Sir, do you know if Aurora had any proof of ownership of the property? Were you the process server, sir? Sir, were you the process server, sir? Did they have any proof of ownership of the property?
I don't know who you are.
Oh, come on, man. Really? Can't Aurora tell the truth about something? We just discussed my application for media permit in open court 20 minutes ago. You know who I am.
Gentlemen, what just happened in there?
The Morels totally got screwed. Morels got railroaded, and that's just a criminal operation in there. And that woman couldn't duck out of there fast enough. That attorney for the plaintiff, Aurora, it's a total scam, total slap the whole time.
I understand that you had filed a notice of substitution as trustee.
Correct. I'm a substitute trustee. There's totally no fraud in that court.
And I believe I saw some case law that that has to be honored. But yet, as I saw the part I saw, the judge said that you couldn't represent the Morels because you were not a licensed attorney.
And I told on the record I wasn't there as representing. I was there as a substitute trustee. And the worst part is, I couldn't get an objection on the record because I wasn't standing up there. I could object it from the gallery, and I guarantee that sheriff would grab me and put me in cuffs. If I'd have said one word, she was about to approach me. You saw that.
I saw
that. She was about to approach me. And they were ready to go. They were ready to go and grab me and put me in jail. You have to take notice of this case in Wisconsin where Aurora Loan Services got a fraudulent foreclosure case. They rolled over them. The homeowners, Carlson was their name, appealed it, and the appeals court said denied. They actually granted the appeal, remanded it back, and said that foreclosure was unlawful. Aurora is not the real party interest. I put that into the case file, so that's in there for purposes of appeal now.
Mr. Wetzelberger, as the trustee and real party in interest, what is it that you plan to do now?
File an appeal. Start with a notice of appeal.
And what are your grounds?
I'm the real party in interest. Prior to me being appointed as trustee, the Morels were the real party in interest. The plaintiff that filed this Aurora Loan Services, it's well known they file fraudulent lawsuits across the country, including this unlawful detainer lawsuit. They're not the real party in interest. They don't have the chain of custody of the note. They've avoided discovery for the past 18 months. They filed a fraudulent trustee sale, fraudulent trustee's deed, fraudulent notice of default, fraudulent corporate assignment deed of trust. Everything they filed in the public records is a total fraud. It's all on the record. It's made for appeal, and we'll see what the appellate court has to say. And if we have to go beyond that, then we go beyond that. But we've made our record, and the judge just tried to roll everybody today, but it's too late. We've already made our record.
Your Honor, I thought about, and well, Trustee Wetzelberger and I both thought about, and I'm making a movie about, the fact that you denied substantive and procedural due process today. So as I sit at the airport preparing to leave and finishing up this movie, I'm talking it over with some local folks and law enforcement people. And the thing you need to realize is you've got bigger issues than what you think you have. You've got federal issues going on here. And I'm telling you right now, you're going to have to address them. That's all. Have a good day.